Imagine heating your food because of melted chocolate in a scientist's pocket, or saving lives because someone used the wrong resistor. Sounds wild, right? Well, today on Curiocraze we're diving into 5 tech inventions that were never meant to happen, but changed the world forever. Stick around, number 3 will blow your mind. In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working with radar equipment at Raytheon. One day, while standing near a magnetron, a type of vacuum tube used in radar, he noticed something odd. The chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Curious, he tried placing popcorn kernels near it, and boom, instant popcorn. He had accidentally discovered microwave heating. Fast forward a few years, and the first microwave oven was born, completely transforming how we cook and reheat food. Next up, the pacemaker. In 1956, American engineer Wilson Greatbatch was working on a device to record heartbeats. He accidentally grabbed the wrong resistor while assembling a circuit. But instead of recording heartbeats, the circuit began pulsing just like a heartbeat. That mistake led to the creation of the first implantable pacemaker. Today, millions of lives have been saved thanks to a simple error in wiring. Back in 1895, German physicist Wilhelm Röntgen was experimenting with cathode ray tubes when he noticed something strange. A nearby screen started glowing even though it was shielded. He realized invisible rays were passing through objects and creating images on the screen. Those rays? X-rays. A complete accident that became one of the most important tools in modern medicine and security. Roy Plunkett was trying to create a new refrigerant gas in 1938, but one of his gas canisters stopped releasing gas. When he opened it, he found a strange, slippery white powder inside. That powder was polytetrafluoroethylene, aka Teflon. It turned out to be extremely heat-resistant and non-stick, perfect for cookware, machinery, and even NASA spacesuits. In 1856, 18-year-old William Perkin was trying to synthesize quinine to treat malaria. Instead, he ended up with a dark sludge. But when he looked closer, that sludge had a beautiful purple color. That mistake became the world's first synthetic dye, Movane. It launched the synthetic chemical industry, influencing everything from textiles to plastics to electronics. Crazy how the biggest breakthroughs often come from happy accidents, right? From melted chocolate to medical miracles, these inventions prove that sometimes mistakes are just undiscovered genius. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. And if you're hungry for more curious tech stories, hit that like button and subscribe to Curiocraze. See you in the next video.